everyone. Here's May's power tune for the Powers Irish Music Learner Session in Belmont, Massachusetts. And this tune is going to go at the start of our new slide set to go into Going to the Well for Water. It's called The Priest, or Is It the Priest You Want? Take your pick. The Bothy Band recorded this, so you can check out one of their recordings. It's a good one to get nice and fast, but I'm going to record it for you here at learner speed and then maybe play through it fast at the end. All right, have fun with this one.